Hey everybody, it's Jeff from the Yawk, and today I am in Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. We're going to check out the Showboat and see what's going on here. For those of you who don't know, the Showboat lost its casino several years ago, and it's pretty much been empty until recently. About a year ago, they opened up that Lucky Snake arcade, and that seems to be doing quite well here on the boardwalk. And then there was talk about this water park that was supposed to open in just a few weeks, around Memorial Day 2022. That's not going to happen, but it definitely will happen, but not by Memorial Day, that's for sure. Looks like it's not going to open probably until next year. I really don't have a date, but we're going to pass the construction zone and show you what's going on there right now. And then we're going to go inside to check out that GoKart, that indoor-outdoor GoKart park that they're building here, and see what the progress is with that as well. Before I go any further, I just want to apologize for the sound of this video. I am doing this from the Ocean Casino Resort right next door to the Showboat. I have a room here tonight, and I decided to edit this video so I can get it up tomorrow. However, I left my microphone home, so this is being recorded directly through my laptop's microphone. Not an ideal situation, but I guess a crappy sounding video is better than no video at all, right? We'll all get through the no microphone fiasco, but I guess this video in particular won't be winning any film editing awards at the Academy Awards this year. So come on, let's check out the Showboat and see what's going on and what kind of progress they're making here. As you saw, a lot of work going on underground right now, and that seems to take the most time with this type of construction, is all the underground rebarb for the concrete and the plumbing that they have to put in. I have a feeling once that underground stuff is done, it's going to go up a lot quicker. So we'll keep an eye on it this summer, and I'll keep you guys informed as far as what's going on with this water park. I can't wait for it to open.
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And by the way, not too many spottings of the mascots lately on the New York channel. It's been kind of easy lately, and you guys have been getting them all, but for the past week, I haven't heard from you guys, so let's get on the ball and start looking for those mascots. They're all in there, just gotta find them. This is Bricker's Burger. I've never been here before, but it's on my list of things to do because, well, it seems quite popular, especially in the summertime, but even in the dead of winter, there's people in here eating burgers, so I'm gonna have to try it out. And this is Ace, or the Atlantic City Eatery, which is what Ace stands for. It's the other restaurant here at the Showboat. And here we have the Lucky Snake Pinball Gallery, a new pinball addition to the Lucky Snake arcade. This is the prize center here at the Showboat, and if you come to the Lucky Snake arcade every day for a year and play for, I don't know, 2-3 hours a day, you just might be the proud winner of that 3-inch troll doll with the rainbow colored hair behind the counter. Now they do have Lego sets here, and you guys know I'm a Lego fanatic, and at first I thought these were a little suspect, but they seem to be factory sealed, so I guess you do have to play a lot, but you can win a nice Lego set here. I know for a fact some of these Lego sets retail between $100 and $200. The Lego Disney Castle is $349, and the Titanic, if you see a Titanic at a Lego store, it's selling for a cool $700. Legos are not cheap. We're going to step into the Lucky Snake Arcade in a moment, but last time I was here, right after the Lucky Snake Arcade opened, it was, I don't know, 2 or 3 days after it opened, that video is here on the New York channel, I was actually stopped by security on the way out, and I thought that was ironic. I've never been stopped by security here in Atlantic City when I'm in a casino. Lots of times in Las Vegas, but never here in Atlantic City. The first time I come to a hotel without a casino, I'm stopped by security. Go figure. I guess this place attracts a lot of kids, and that's a good reason to stop someone who's creepy looking and videotaping in the arcade, which pretty much describes me. So this is the Lucky Snake Arcade that we're in now, and it takes up about half of the old Showboat Casino. The other half, as you're going to see as we get near the end of the arcade, is where the electric go-kart track is going. And by the way, if you're digging this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out, and it makes me very happy. And that's what life's all about, is making Jeff from New York very happy. I thank you so much, from the bottom of my heart. This truly is a fun time for everybody, regardless of their age, whether they're kids or adults or families. It's a great place to hang out. Again, you might have to spend a lot of time here to win that 3-inch troll doll with the rainbow colored hair, but that's not the point. The point is, it's a great place to hang out with the family. Not too many places like that in this city, and it seems to have a lot more fantastic ideas in store, and they're working on them hard, so gotta give the Showboat a lot of credit. I'm really looking forward to their success in the future. We have some bowling going on here, and you guys got a peek of the Raceway, which is the electric go-kart track that they're installing right now. It's supposed to be indoor-outdoor, so we'll see what that looks like hopefully sometime in the near future. And we'll get a better look at the Raceway as we head deeper into the hotel. This corridor always brings back lots of memories of when this place was a Showboat Hotel and Casino. It used to be one of my favorite hotels and casinos here in Atlantic City. There were great restaurants here on the left, and on the right now you see the black fabric barrier that's pretty much shrouding the construction of the new go-kart construction. And seeing as it's just a curtain, as I get further down, I'm going to take a little peek behind that black curtain to see what's going on here as far as that Raceway that they're building is concerned. Again, lots of cool stuff going on here at the Showboat, and I wish them the best of luck. But I think what they need is some really good, recognizable national franchises, like maybe a McDonald's or a Taco Bell or a KFC, like a proper food court, and then perhaps a CVS or a Walgreens. There are no drugstores along this boardwalk at all. There's one every 10 feet on the Las Vegas Strip. They just need a couple of good tenants here to draw some people in as well. And that's pretty much it right now for the progress being made here at the Showboat. This is pretty much mid-April 2022, so I'm going to visit a lot during the summer, the upcoming summer, to check out the progress as they go along. Once again, I apologize for the microphone situation in this video, but I know you guys pretty much put up with anything that I throw at you, so I really appreciate that. What'd you think of the Showboat? Let me know in the comments below. I'm off to the Hard Rock Buffet, another video coming here soon on the New York channel.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.